All right, boys and girls, so today we are going to start off by having our paper going side to side, so it's going sideways. And we're going to grab the bottom of our paper and fold it up. So we're folding it in half a long way. Make a crease in your paper and open it back up. We'll kind of flatten it out. Once you have it opened up, go ahead and use your pencil. And we're going to trace our folded line all the way across, like so. So now we've got a line going straight across our paper. Our next step will be using a ruler. To use our ruler, we are going to find the numbers on the top of the ruler. This is the side that we want to measure on the top. So what I want to do is I'm going to put it right up against my line so I can see that my line is about 12 inches. It's about the full length of my ruler. Once I do that, we're going to be using our numbers to make our lines for our next step. The numbers we are going to need to know are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we're counting by twos. So I'm going to find the 2 right here, and I'm going to make a little mark. I'll make a mark at the 4 here. Skip ahead to the 6. Go to 8 next. And then 10. Now I know we go all the way up to 12, but we won't need to make one right at the end here because that's the end of the paper. So that will take care of that for us. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little marks that we've just made. We can go ahead and put our ruler away. And we're going to make our lines go all the way to the top of the paper. Just doing as good as we can, making a straight line going all the way up. So we should have 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on top. And then the bottom is empty right now. So what we want to do, we want to make 6 spaces on the bottom as well. So you can just take that line that you've already made and just bring it down as well. We'll do that for each of these lines. So I'm not making a new line, I'm just using the one we've already had. Our next step is going to be adding in the numbers into our spaces. We're going to be putting in the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top row. We want to take our time. We want to make them look nice and neat so we can read them. I'm kind of making mine a little bit taller since they're in taller spaces. 3, 4, and 5. The bottom row, we're only going to go to 9. So we're going to start at 6, do 7, 8, and 9. And the last 2 spaces, what we are going to do is our initials. So your initials, we're going to be doing for our first and last name. So if I was using the initials for Jasper Johns, the artist that we're looking at, I would need to do the first name, which is Jasper. I'm going to take the letter J, which is first letter. And his last name is Johns. So that also starts with a J. So there would be another J here for Jasper Johns. My initials for my name is BL. So go ahead and write the first letter of your first name in this spot, the first letter of your last name in the second spot. And you'll be ready for our oil pastels after that.